What's going on, cartel family? Welcome back to another video. Today we're about to attempt something absolutely crazy. Right now sitting in front of me is a fresh $200 trading account, and today we're going to see just how far we can take this account. I honestly have no idea where this challenge is going to end. Maybe we double the accounts, maybe we make a few thousands dollars, or maybe the market humbles us completely. One thing is certain though, everything you're about to see is happening live. No fugazi, no demo accounts, no editing tricks, no second chances. Now before we begin, I need to make something very clear. This challenge is only possible because I'm using an XNES account with one unlimited leverage. Without one unlimited leverage, opening this kind of full margin positions on a small account simply wouldn't be possible. Also, this strategy can only be executed during very specific trading windows when spreads are extremely low. If you're trying this during high spread period, you are setting yourself up for failure before the trade even starts. I've left my official XNES registration link in the description below if you want to create your own one unlimited leverage account. Now, enough talking. Let's see what the market has for us today. All right, traders, we're currently on gold, and something very interesting is happening. Price has just aggressively expanded into the 47.51 region. Now, whenever I see move like this, I don't immediately jump into the market. I want to know one thing: can the market actually sustain these highs? Because if it can't, there's a very good chance we're about to witness an aggressive repricing to the downside. Notice what happens next. Price sweeps the highs, but instead of continuing higher, the market begins hesitating. The bullish momentum starts fading. Rejection candles begins appearing, and for the very first time, buyers look vulnerable. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. As long as price remains below the 47.51 highs, I expect the market to target liquidity resting beneath these lows. The risk is enormous, but so is the opportunity. I'm taking my first entry 6 lot size position at 47.49, and now we wait. Almost immediately after entering, the market moves against us. This is not what we wanted to see. The account starts slipping into drawdown, and I won't lie guys, this is the moment that destroys most traders. Fear starts creeping in, doubt starts creeping in, you begin to question your analysis, you begin questioning yourself. But here's the thing: the market has still not invalidated my bearish narrative. The highs remain protected, nothing has changed yet. So despite the pressure, despite the drawdown, I'm staying patient, because sometimes in trading, patience pays more than analysis. And there it is, the first signs of weakness. Sellers are beginning to step back into the market, and just like that, we're back in profit. I'm becoming more aggressive. Let's take more entries. Okay, no more margin. Price starts expecting bearish order flow. Now things are starting to get interesting. The market continues delivering lower. Every attempt to push higher is immediately rejected. Buyers simply cannot regain control. This is exactly the confirmation I needed. Sellers are completely dominating this market. The downside expansion is accelerating. I'm adding 2 more positions around the 47 area, and now the account crosses $10,000. At this stage, emotions becomes extremely dangerous, because when you start seeing numbers like this on the screen, greed takes over, fear takes over. You start thinking about locking profits. At this point, the market is fully committed to the downside. Price is aggressively repricing lower. So I'm making one final decision. I'm going all in. Multiple 6 lot sales position around 47.45. All right, I'm continuing to add positions until the platform literally refuses to accept another trade. One move against us and this challenge could be over. Gold completely collapses. the account explodes beyond $47,000. Then $60,000. What's happening? At this point, I can barely believe what I'm looking at. And finally, the impossible becomes reality. Over $100,000 from an initial deposit of $200. Wow, guys, this is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.